first fire up of a EZ30D H6 Subaru conversion in my 85 Vanagon. Third startup, warm startup because I've had it idling for about 25 minutes. Just put an exhaust tip on temporarily. In fact, the entire exhaust system that's on it is temporary. I bought the headers from Van Cafe, the catalytic converter from Rock Auto, and the MagnaFlow resonator slash muffler. It's not a muffler, it's a resonator, from Amazon. I'm not too thrilled with the way it sounds. It reminds me of a 3800 GM V6. The engine itself is super smooth and quiet on its own. So once I put the right exhaust system on, it should all be good. I don't recommend this exhaust, unfortunately. And the airbox there is just temporary, so I'm not listening to the hiss of the intake. It's such a smooth running engine. The vibration is barely even there compared to the 4-cylinder EJ25 I had in here before, which, you know, that moves around a bit. This is so much smoother. Let's see what we're at here. So once it's idled for a few minutes, it drops down to right around 1,000. And the reason why the miles per hour is reading is because I don't have CV axles attached. So in neutral, the transmission is in fact moving. I have to put a Dakota Digital tachometer translator module thing, I forget the name of it, so that the RPMs on the tachometer read correctly. Because right now they obviously read high, and if I rev, they read more what it actually is. But clutch is done, throttle's done. The last two things I have left to actually be able to drive it is I have to install my shift assembly and do the CV axles, and that's it. I don't have either of these gauges hooked up anymore. The mechanical gauges are sort of pointless on newer engines. If I had the original 4-cylinder washer boxer, which, well, here's one torn apart and there's another one down there, but you know, the little original 1.9 or 2.1 liter, I would totally have those gauges hooked up. But there's really no point with this. Everything I need to know I can read on the scan gauge.